Hari June July Tega ya batla go feel Sky Tlhoboga botletse di-ups and downs ka o le wa metlile go gata di-cons le me tell you all about the pros and cons na le wena ga batsela ga gona di-costs na ba nyatsa gare re fisa forward for God tla ba neela di-consequences of flex to be loved by the king of the universe a re ne le modimo get covered by SSS let's stay present and give each other the personal love attend to your neighbor and give them a hug Tega Dalia